Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around quickly and securely. Today, we're tackling a straightforward task: transferring just one USDT from your Bitget exchange account to your Bitget wallet. USDT is a stablecoin, meaning it's pegged to the US dollar, making it perfect for low-risk transfers. Whether you're preparing for trading or just organizing your crypto, this guide will get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have both a Bitget exchange account and a Bitget wallet set up. If you don't, head over to the Bitget app or website and create them. It's free and quick. Once you're logged into your Bitget exchange account, let's get started. Step 1. Navigate to your asset dashboard. Look for the Wallets or Assets section in the main menu. Here, you'll see all your cryptocurrencies, including USDT. Select USDT from your list of holdings. Step 2. Choose the transfer option. There should be a button that says something like Withdraw or Transfer to Wallet. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount. Since we're transferring just one USDT, type that in exactly. Double check to avoid any mistakes. Step 3. Select your Bitget wallet as the destination. Make sure you're on the correct network, like TRC20 or ERC20 for USDT, as this can affect fees. Bitget usually defaults to the fastest option, but verify it to keep costs low. Step 4. Review and confirm. You'll see a summary of the transfer, including any network fees. In 2025, fees are often minimal for internal transfers, but always check. Hit confirm, and wait for the transaction to process. It should only take a minute or two. Once it's done, hop over to your Bitget wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your one USDT there, ready to use. Remember, always double-check your addresses and networks to prevent any losses. Crypto can be exciting, but it's all about being cautious. There you have it. Transferring USDT on Bitget is that simple. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.